This video explains how to use the 700-watt microwave at the White House. So you'll see that there are buttons on the right hand side to open the door. Just push the button, this will open up, just push in your food and then shut the door. To use the microwave you have a power setting here, so if you push the button that's 100%, that'll be 700 watts, and then you can just push the button to reduce the power or turn the dial. So once you select the power you just push the button in and then you go on to time. So for time you can then scroll to the right clockwise and that will change to, this is seconds, and here you have 1 minute. To start it off you just push the button here. If you wish to add a further amount of time whilst it's going, you can just push the button again, that'll add another 30 seconds. And if you wish it to stop, just push this button here. That will pause the timer. You can open up the door, so if you need to stir things again to help warm things up. If you wish to clear the timer, you just push this button again and that will clear it. And that's how to use the microwave. Thank you.